Axel, the integration of GenAI into the Industrial Metaverse is unlocking unprecedented levels of efficiency and innovation in manufacturing. It's a game changer.
Absolutely, Gabriella. And the beauty is we can step right into it and see the transformation firsthand. Shall we go? Welcome to the Industrial Metaverse. GenAI, digital twin, and IoT make every process interconnected, creating a seamless flow of operations. It's the perfection of digitization, meeting the physical world.
It's fascinating. The level of automation and real-time data analytics provided by GenAI ensures efficiency and a significant reduction in downtimes. The system continually learns and optimizes itself. But what if we would have done no innovation?
This stark contrast is a reminder of what stagnation looks like without embracing the industrial metaverse and the power of GenAI. The absence of digitization and interconnectivity leads to inefficiencies and a competitive disadvantage.
Exactly. And it's not just about technology, it's about creating a symbiotic relationship between humans and machines, fostering innovation, and driving growth. As we enter this new era, the line between the physical and digital worlds blurs, creating endless opportunities for innovation and growth, with GenAI leading the way. Embrace the future, embrace the new era.